Hello there, my tools. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. How you guys doing out there today? If you're new tuning in, let me give you a warm welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to check out today's video. Okay, so guys, let's go ahead and let's just jump right into it because I don't want to prolong it because I know our attention span is short. You hear me? So let's go ahead and get into it. I know most of you probably know by the thumbnail what we're going to be talking about on today. I know that a lot of you guys have probably seen plenty of videos about this particular vitamin that I want to talk about on today. I don't want to keep rambling because I know our attention span is very short, so I do not want to prolong this video any longer than what I have to. So today's video is going to be all about the Fenugreek seeds. I just call them all vitamins, but it clearly states seeds. Fenugreek is an annual plant in the family Fabaceae, with leaves consisting of 3 small obovate to oblong leaflets. It is cultivated worldwide as a semi-arid crop. Its seeds and leaves are common ingredients in dishes from the Indian subcontinent and have been used as a culinary ingredient since ancient times. So that is the Wikipedia description of what fenugreek is. Okay, so let's just jump into some of the benefits of fenugreek. Some research suggests that fenugreek may reduce the risk of diabetes, improve milk production and flow, improve weight loss, raise testosterone and boost sperm count, reduce inflammation, reduce the risk of heart and blood pressure conditions, also provide pain relief. Benefits of fenugreek seeds for hair. It is said that it prevents hair loss. Fenugreek contains lecithin, which acts as a natural emollient that conditions and moisturizes your scalp and hair deeply. Revives damaged hair, fights dandruff, controls scalp inflammation, adds shine and soft texture. Also prevents premature gray hair. What the world? We go talk about it. Fenugreek is a herb similar to clover that is native to the Mediterranean region, Southern Europe, and Western Asia. The seeds have been used for centuries as an herbal remedy. So yes, this particular brand of fenugreek seeds that I purchased is from Nature's Way. I was able to find this in my local grocery store. According to the directions, this is very simple to use. It says it recommends that you take 2 capsules 2 to 3 times daily. Okay, that's the recommendation. Also, FYI, it says keep out of reach of children. So all of that information is listed on the container itself. The recommendations is also listed here. It does have the supplement facts here, which I'm not going to get into, but you guys can see it there. These capsules are considered to be vegan. There's 100 vegan capsules in this particular container. This is considered to be a dietary supplement. Okay, you guys, so my goal was not to be a history book for you guys. I was only just trying to give you some bits and pieces of information from the research that I found online. Okay, there's plenty of information out there on fenugreek, whether you are researching it online or you watch some YouTube videos out there that can give it to you. Again, this is just to give you some quick info. Now, let's jump into why did I purchase fenugreek seeds, vitamins, whatever you want to call it, herb, whatever. The reason for my purpose of purchasing fenugreek is simply for the same reason you've probably come across this video, or you've seen plenty of videos and just trying to make your final decision as to what you go do. Is you go get it or is you not? Okay, I decided to break down and get it because listen, y'all, I know I sound like a broken record, but truth of the matter is I shaved all my hair off to a low fade, and I am trying to grow my hair back. And yes, I have experienced some hair growth, but I'm always open to trying different things that would help encourage healthy hair growth. And there was so much information about fenugreek and how to use it, how to prepare it to use it in your hair, and sometimes I just ain't got time for that because I'm just too busy in my day. So I figured that I would want to take mine by mouth, and that is the reason for why I purchased fenugreek. Now I just shopped myself. I did not know that it can help to reduce menstrual cramps. So baby, that's a plus for me, and it's probably a plus for a lot of you ladies out there. So I like that from that aspect. So I did not know that, but I primarily purchased it for hair growth, okay? Not saying that this is going to directly grow my hair, but I wanted something to aid me, to assist me in growing my hair healthy and strong, okay? So that was the main reason why I purchased this. Now, how much did I pay for this? At my local grocery store, I believe I paid, because it's been a couple of weeks, y'all, maybe even a month. I believe I paid between $5 and $10 for this particular brand of fenugreek in my local grocery store. And I believe that this was the cheapest one that they had, or cheapest brand that I could find in my local grocery store. Let's get into smell. I love the smell of fenugreek personally, you guys. It has a honey type smell, maybe even a syrupy type smell, but it smells so delicious, you guys. I truly enjoy the scent of this. It is said that it can also make your vajayjay smell honey sweet, just like this. Now I don't know how true that is, but it is said that it does. Okay, let me show you what my vitamin look like of the fenugreek. So this is it here, y'all. It's easy to take, it's easy to swallow down, I put it that way. Now let me just remind you guys, with any type of vitamin or supplement, I highly recommend that your intake of water is a lot. So I typically drink a lot of water whenever I am using any type of supplement. So that's going to be very key for you. The brand says that you are to take 2 capsules 2 to 3 times daily. That's too much for me. I can't keep up with that. I barely keep up with taking it once a day. So I typically just try to make it my mission when I take all my other supplements that I only take 1 of these a day at minimum for me. But please follow the instructions, okay? One of the things that I mentioned early on is that fenugreek is supposed to help when it comes to gray hairs, y'all. Now, if y'all been following me for a minute, I have pointed out some gray sprouts that I have been experiencing on this side of my head. And to be honest with you, I still have 2 or 3 or 4 sprouts, but it doesn't seem to be as bad. It's almost like it could be reversing it. And you guys probably really can't see it. Let me zoom in for you. See that? So we just go see if taking 1 capsule a day really reverse these grays that I have here. Okay, we'll just see. So yeah, you guys, that was so much for me to get out, but I wanted to get it out to you. So yeah, that concludes today's video on fenugreek. I will follow up with you guys maybe in about 30 days to let you see what some of the results are. But you guys, just FYI, in addition to taking fenugreek, I am doing other things to help promote or increase or aid me in healthy hair growth. That concludes today's video. I'll see you tubes in the next one. Smooches.